The question here is on function. We look at this function here as in a hyperbolic form. Given f of x is equals to 8 over x minus 2 plus 1. First question, write down the asymptotes of f. So we are having a function where our f of x is equals to a over x plus b plus q. And then asymptotes here are y is equals to q and x plus p is equals to 0. Our x is equals to minus p is an asymptote. So with this particular question, our asymptote here is y is equals to q. In this particular case, our q is 1. And then our x minus 2 equals to 0. So x is equals to 2. You take this one the side. Therefore, our asymptotes are y is equals to 1, x is equals to 2. Now we go to the next question. Write down the domain of f. Remember, the domain is the set of input values. So the domain, so when we are writing the domain, we write it as x, an element of real numbers. X is not equals to minus p. If you come to our formula here, and our minus p is 2, so our x, an element of real numbers, our x is not equals to 2. It's not defined at x is equals to 2. Remember, it's an asymptote. For which values of x is f of x equal to 0? Remember, again, f of x is the same as y. So, at y is equals to 0. We are now looking for the x value. So in short, we are looking for the x-intercept. This one is the x-intercept. That is what we are looking for. So we are going to replace our f of x with 0. So our 0 is equals to 8 over x minus 2 plus 1. This one comes this side. It's minus 1 is equals to 8 over x minus 2. We multiply, to get rid of the denominator, we multiply with that denominator on both sides. So here, we are going to multiply here by x minus 2. So if we get rid of that one, so we multiply here, we get minus x plus 2 is equals to 8. So from here, we take this one the other side. So minus x is equals to 8 minus 2. Our x here, minus x is equals to 6. Because of this negative, our x is equals to a negative 6. So, for which values of x? It's only one value of x. So, therefore, our x is equals to minus 6. Then we go to determine the value of p if a is a point on the graph and it's 0 and p, which means 0, x is 0, y is p. We are looking, so our p is what? Equals to the y-intercept. So we are going to say, remember f of x is y. So our y is equals to, where there is x, we put 0, is going to be 8 over 0 minus 2 plus 1. So our y is going to be equals to minus 4 plus 1, y is equals to minus 3. So here 0 and that one you get minus 2 and then you get 4 there. Therefore, our p is equals to minus 3. So, when dealing with functions, the questions are asked differently. You need to understand the characteristics that are associated with each type of function. This is a hyperbolic function. It has asymptotes. Thank you.